Hello, and welcome back to How to Think in English. This is episode 2, Using Mental Pictures to Think in English. In the last episode, we talked about stopping translation and feeling the meaning of English words. Today, we'll go one step further by learning how to see English in your mind, just like native speakers do. Let's begin. When you hear the word apple, what do you see in your mind? Maybe a red fruit, round and shiny? That's great. You just used a mental picture. Thinking in English means connecting English words directly to images, sounds, and feelings, not to words in your own language. For example, when you hear rain, imagine the drops falling on your window. When you say morning, imagine the sunrise, birds singing, and the smell of tea or coffee. When you say busy, imagine someone running, working, typing fast. The more clearly you see the picture, the faster you can think in English. Here's a small exercise for you. Step 1. Look around your room. Choose one thing, like a chair, a book, or a cup. Say its name aloud in English. Chair. Step 2. Add a simple sentence. The chair is brown. Step 3. Close your eyes and imagine it. See the brown chair in your mind while saying the sentence again. When you do this every day, your brain starts to connect English directly to the image. No translation, no delay, just instant thinking. You can also do this with actions. For example, imagine yourself eating and say, I am eating. Imagine yourself walking and say, I am walking. This is how children learn. They don't study grammar first. They watch, they listen, and they imagine. So next time you learn a new word, don't write a translation. Instead, draw a small picture or imagine it clearly in your mind. The more you practice, the more natural English will feel. In the next episode, we'll learn how to think in short English sentences all day long, even when you are alone or busy. Until then, keep practicing your mental pictures and keep thinking in English. Thank you for watching and see you in episode 3.